Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Today's nail art is so easy to do, and I think everyone can do this. Okay, so before anything else, I'm applying a layer of base coat onto my natural nails. Then I'm applying a squiggly line with pink using a nail art brush. After that, I'm applying a pink holographic shade like this. And then I'm doing it to the rest of my nails using different shades of nail polish. After all of that, I'm applying a generous amount of top coat. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!